already happening. What is going on, you guys? Ultimate Collector Torch here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Chucky Season 2 TV series news. Yes guys, today we got some new information regarding Chucky TV series Season 2. So without further ado, let's dive right into this. So in an interview with Don Mancini has talked a little bit about Chucky TV series Season 2 that will premiere sometime next year, 2022. And he mentioned, as you can see right here, that he is currently working on Chucky TV series Season 2, Episode 1 script, which is absolutely amazing and very exciting. But what's even more exciting is that he does say that we might be seeing some familiar faces. We might be seeing some returning characters from past movies, which is amazing. It could be Karen Barkley, Detective Mike Norris, Tyler, Christine DeSilver, Jesse and Jade, Glenn and Glenda. I really hope it's Glenn and Glenda. Either way, this is overall very exciting. And not just that, we also got a little bit about the release date. It does still say sometime 2022. There isn't an official release date or premiere date for Chucky TV series Season 2. All we know, it's coming out next year, 2022, sometime in 2022. But come on, this is overall exciting. I really cannot wait for more news. I'm very happy that we're gonna start getting more very soon. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. Just a little quick update for Chucky TV series Season 2. When there's more news, I'll be here to cover it. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget guys to keep on collecting. Bye.
Subscribe, damn it. I'll be back. I always come back, and so should you moron.